What if I told you this simple stick figure video made over $100,000 with no face, no mic, and no camera? This channel is exploding. This creator gained around 1 million subscribers from just 16 videos and is thousands of dollars every month. And the crazy part, you can create it too in just a few minutes using free AI tools. In this video, I'll show you the exact method step by step, and I'll also reveal a powerful secret that 99% of creators are missing. This secret could launch your channel from zero to viral fast. Let's dive in. Teach Chat GPT what you want. First, we need to train Chat GPT to understand the style and tone of the videos we want to create. You can do this by uploading sample stick figure screenshots and a sample script. If you need templates or examples, I've shared helpful links in the description. Then tell Chat GPT, analyze these images and this script to understand the storytelling style and visual structure. Once done, Chat GPT will break it down for you, giving you a full analysis of the theme and visuals. Step 2. Let Chat GPT write your script image prompts. Next, we generate our content. Ask Chat GPT. Create a 5-minute motivational story similar to the sample, then write prompts for image generation, matching each scene. It will give you a complete script and detailed prompts to use for AI image tools. Step 3. Create voiceover using 11 Labs. Take your new script and head over to 11 Labs, a tool with highly realistic AI voices. You can choose a voice that fits your tone. For now, I'll pick Bill Oxley for demo purposes. Paste your script, generate the voiceover and save it. I recommend you eventually test a few voice styles to find the one that fits your brand long term. Step 4. Generate images using Midjourney or Leonardo AI. Now it's time to turn the prompts into visuals. Copy the prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into Midjourney or Leonardo AI. I use Midjourney for better quality, even if it costs $10/month, but Leonardo is a solid free option too. You can even drag and drop reference images in Midjourney and add a 9:16 at the end of your prompt to match YouTube's vertical aspect ratio. Repeat this for each scene until you've created all required visuals. Step 5. Bring your images to life with animation. Here's where we outperform others. Most channels stop at static drawings, but we'll animate our stick figures using AI tools like Pika, Runway, Luma, or my favorite, How, which offers free day credits. Head over to How, upload your image, paste your prompt, and hit generate. It'll transform your still drawing into a smooth video clip. Do this for every scene. If your story needs more visuals, for example, a scene mentioning wealth, freedom, happiness, go back to ChatGPT, ask for new prompts, generate those images, and animate them too. This way you can keep the flow, add depth, and build an emotional story arc. Step 6. Final editing with CapCut. Now it's time to put everything together. Open CapCut, start a new project, and import your voiceover and animated videos. Cut any silence from the voice clip to keep it tight and engaging. Next, align each animated clip with the appropriate section of the voice. Start by introducing your character, say John. You can add a name label and pointer using a PNG arrow from Pixabay. Once your timeline is complete, make sure the visuals are synced perfectly with the narration. This helps retain viewer attention and boosts watch time and RPM. Finally, export your video in 1080p or 2K resolution. You're done. Quick recap. We covered how to script, voice, illustrate, animate, and edit an entire faceless YouTube video without any paid software or experience. If you've made it this far, congrats! You're the top 1% that's serious about making this work. Drop a comment saying 1% so I know you're in this with me. If you're still unsure, check out another niche breakdown I've linked on screen. It might be your perfect fit. Let's build your YouTube automation empire, one video at a time. Let me know if you want a short version, hook CTA breakdown, or a custom thumbnail text next.